Welcome to Roy's Moto Ventures. I picked up a headlamp, LHKNL headlamp. This is a dual pack. Pretty good price. I wanted something to keep in my bike, in the saddlebag of my bike, for, if I ever broke down, had a light. And I figured, why not a headlamp? And this came in a dual pack, so I get a couple of them. So I'll keep one in my bike, and then I'll have one for maybe camping, because I'm going to start camping again, like I mentioned before some of my previous videos. Let me just run over this a little bit. This is like 1200 lumens. There's several settings for different light intensities and stuff. Fully charged, depending on what setting you have, this will last 4 to 10 hours. 4 on the highest setting, 10 on the lowest. You can get these in all different colors. I just got the black. This thing weighs less than 2 ounces. Let's open this up. Okay, it comes in this box here, so we'll just open this up here. First thing you see is some instructions. Two sets of instructions, because you have 2 sets of lights. Okay, in the instructions here, it says that charging time for these are like 3 to 4 hours. So, but okay, instructions. 2 boxes. Headlamp. Okay, each one of these should be the same. So we'll just set that one off to the side. Okay, you got your USB-A to USB-C for charging. Okay, nice black elastic strap. Little funky colors. Okay, light. Peel that off. There we go. Okay, you have your little USB-C charger down on the bottom here. Okay, to charge it up. And you have your couple buttons here on top. And this also rotates down, I don't know, like 60 degrees, I think they said. So if you got it on, you can rotate it up or whatever. Okay? So just to turn it on, woof, bright. Okay? Hit the button once, bright. Hit the button another time, and then just the lower setting. And then hit the button again, and you have the 2 other lights on. The side lights, bright. Hit the button again, and then it's a lower setting. Hit the button again, then you got a red light. I don't know what the red light's for, but maybe just when you're out at night, it's not as bright or whatever. So, in this one here, hit it again, and it goes in flash mode. Like I said, I was going to have this on my bike. So if I break down on the side of the road, and I can't fix my bike, then I might just have this out here, flashing. Okay. And then again, it's off. Now, this button here, this is for your motion sensor. These things here are your motion sensors, I think. Turn it on, and then you rub your hand. This is bright setting, and you go, whoosh. It's off. Whoosh. It's on. Whoosh. 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 Okay? Whoosh. Hit the button again. The side lights come on. Wave. Okay? Alright, so if you hit the power button and you don't want to go through all the settings, all the clicks to turn it off, just press the power button down for 3 seconds and it should go off. Okay? Now, when you're a motion sensor, you have a green light on the side. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a green light right there. It's lit up. And that's just letting you know that it's on motion sensor. Okay? Now, when you're on the side here, I don't know if you can see. Let me try to turn this down here. All right, so I don't know if you can see that. but there's four blue buttons here. Blue lights here. This is how full your battery is. And each is 1/4%, so, okay? All right, let me turn this around and see what it looks like when it's on my head. All right, stretchy. I haven't adjusted this at all. So put this on. Oh, it's wicked light. Sits right there. Okay. Like I said, you know, I wanted to have this in my saddlebag of my motorcycle in case I break down. I just, you know, I could work on my bike, you know, at night, you know, if I'm broke down at night. You know, if I can't fix it or whatever, and I could also just, you know, put this on flash in there so people know that I'm there. Okay. There's some other uses for this. Perfect for camping, bicycling at night, you know, nightly jogs. Right now it's wintertime up here in upstate New York, so I could use this to go walk down to my mailbox in the evening because my mail doesn't come till 5 o'clock. So it's already dark, 5 o'clock here. And I got a long driveway, no lights. So I could just use this to walk down to the mailbox. So, like I said, this has got a 1500 milliamp built-in rechargeable battery. So you could recharge right there. This is IBX4 waterproof, which means it's good for in the rain. I would not submerge this. It's not waterproof for submerge, okay? But it'll be good in the rain. Pretty happy with this. Let me try to find a dark spot somewhere. Daylight it out now, right now. So let me try to find a dark spot so you can see what this looks like in the dark. Maybe I'll go out in my shed. I'll be right back. All right, I'm out in my shed. Can you see anything? I can't. Barely see something here. So let's turn this on. All right, so that's the high light. Yeah. And then I can bend this down. There we go. All right, can you see? And then that's the low one. The low one kind of makes the camera flicker a little bit. So just to let you know. Okay, there we go. This is the double beams on each side. That's pretty bright. Yeah. You know, you can do shadow puppets, you know. All right, and then we could, this is the double light low. And here's the red light. And then the flashing. Yeah, I like that one. It's pretty widespread. So you can see everything, you know. All right. I'm gonna go back inside. So if you're interested in this, you know, headlamp product, it's from LHKNL. Oh, and another thing I just wanted to mention. Shortly after I ordered this and I received this, the company, LHKNL, they sent me an email, wanted to make sure I got the package okay and wanting to make sure that the lights work and if I had any questions. I've never received an email from a company before when I purchased something, you know, to see if everything was fine. I thought that was pretty neat. But anyway, it's a good little item to have, just in case. I might pick up another package just to have. Maybe my wife will want a pair too. Have them all over the house. It'd be good for working underneath the car, you know, too, if you can't see. That's another thing. Leave a comment below. You know, what do you think? If you're not a subscriber, you know what to do. Hit all those buttons on there. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.